do a Thanksgiving makeup tutorial with me for 2023. So today's look I'm going to be doing is like a sepia brown eye look, the dark brown makeup look. So I'm going to do that for this year's Thanksgiving. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have not posted anything for a while now because I was too busy with other things. I was in college and I was working on my music releases, so we want to go check out my music releases. I have a music channel, so it will be linked down below in the description box, so you can go check it out. Okay, stay tuned for more music releases from me. Alright, ignore my hair. I just washed it last night, so I will fix it at the end of this makeup tutorial. So, let's get this started. First, we're gonna just put the foundation right here. Okay, now I'm going to take this sponge and just blend it right here. Now we can do like a face powder to blend it up the foundation so my face doesn't get sticky. Just blend it right here. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer right here. Take one of my makeup brushes and just blend it right here. Alright, I'm going to use this palette for the blush. The color we're going to be using is this Cotton Candy Pink. Alright, I'm just going to blend it on my cheeks right here. Alright, I did my eyebrows off camera. And the ones I've been using is this brown eyeliner pencil. I will link it down below in the description box for that. Now we're just going to darken it all together with this eyebrow brush right here. Right here. Right there. Alright, now we're going to use this Maverick eyeshadow palette from Revlon. And the color I'm going to be using is this kind of that darkish sienna brown color right here. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit of it because I want to add the dark sepia brown. Right here, right in my crease, right here. Right here. Okay, I think this color looks good. I just put a little bit so I can add the dark brown. So now we're going to use this Neon Brights eyeshadow palette from Beauty Treats. And this color I'm going to be using is this dark 1920 sepia brown color right here. I'm also going to put a little bit of it because I don't want it to darken it too much. But it's okay. Just to get a heads up a little bit. Just going to blend both colors together. Wow, I love how this dark brown color came out. This sepia color. Oh my god, it looks awesome. Alright, I'm gonna do the eyeshadow on a lower lash line off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, now I did the eyeshadows on a lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go with this brown liquid eyeliner from CoverGirl. Just gonna do it very slowly. You know what? I'll take the mirror, it's better. Just gonna do it slowly on the other lid. I think that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna take this eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna put eyeliner on a waterline. Right here. Just do it slowly so it doesn't get messed up on your lower lash line. You can put eyeshadows. Yep. Just do it on the other side. Alright, that's good. Alright, this is the mascara I'm going to be using right now, but I forgot what this brand is, but I'll link it down below. You want to go check it out at any time. Right. Ignore my bangs, I will fix it at the end. That's okay. Now let's do the mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I already have put on mascara on my lashes. I'm going to go with these false lashes. This is a brand I'm going to be using right now. And I'm going to put glue in it for this lashes. Wait for 20 seconds to be dried and then I'll attach it through my eyes. So I will do it off camera and I'll be back. Alright, I did the fake lashes. Now for lips, I'm going to be using two colors. I'm going to use this beige one called Nude List 920 from Maybelline, and then the other one, Tropical Coral 444 lipstick from L'Oreal. Alright, that's the end result of this sepia brown makeup tutorial for Thanksgiving 2023. Well, it is done, but I'm gonna go do my hair off camera and then I'll show you the end result. So I will be right back. Alright, that's the end result of this video tutorial for Thanksgiving 2023. So this is a hairstyle I'm wearing right now. I just got it blow dried. And I cut my bangs a little because the eyebrows keeps blocking me. So I just cut my bangs a little so it looks good. And this is the earrings I'm wearing right now. This is a green earrings. My mom bought it for me the night before Thanksgiving. And these are the rings that I'm wearing right now. I'll show you just. One of them I bought from Claire's. That's the ring I'm wearing. And this one. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful for my next videos. Let me know down below in the comment section. If you have questions or have comments or any new makeup requests for my next video, you can leave them down below. Okay? I hope you I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas if I don't see you. Okay? Enjoy your holiday weekend.